Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that many server administrators face. The problem we are addressing involves securing a server using IP tables to only allow connections from specific sources like Cloudflare while blocking all other traffic. Despite implementing multiple security measures, the server still gets overwhelmed during attacks, leading to a potential reflection or amplification attack. Now, let's delve into the solution provided to address this issue. The first part of the solution involves using the IP tables rule TCP SYN drop to drop TCP SYN packets. This rule helps in mitigating potential SYN flood attacks by immediately dropping incoming SYN packets. Building on the initial solution, the next step is to implement the rule TCP SYN limit 5s limit burst 10 j accept. This rule sets a limit on the rate of incoming SYN packets, allowing a specified number within a certain time frame before dropping additional packets, thus preventing SYN flood attacks. Continuing with the solution, we focus on restructuring the IP tables rules to provide a more organized and effective defense mechanism. By creating custom chains like TCP allow_all and allow_TCP, we can streamline the handling of TCP traffic, allowing only authorized sources while dropping unauthorized traffic efficiently. An important addition to the solution is the use of the IP tables command iptables allow_TCPS 6.7.89j TCP to insert a rule allowing specific sources to pass through the TCP handling chain, ensuring a comprehensive security setup. Lastly, by including iptables allow_TCPJ, allow_LL, and iptables allow_TCPJ TCP in the rule set, we optimize the processing of TCP traffic, ensuring that traffic from authorized sources follows the defined rules while maintaining a secure environment. In summary, by implementing a layered approach to IP tables rules and custom chains, we can effectively enhance the security of the server, mitigate potential attacks, and ensure a smoother flow of authorized traffic. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Stay secure, stay protected.